When your Panasonic TV remote stops responding, the most common culprit is weak batteries. Let's start with the basics. Replace with fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries. Weak batteries are the #1 cause of remote control problems. Next, check for obstructions blocking the TV's infrared sensor. The remote needs a clear line of sight to communicate with your TV. Remove any objects blocking the sensor area. The remote works within about 23 feet directly in front of the TV. If the remote still doesn't work, try resetting it. This clears any temporary glitches that might be causing problems. Use your smartphone camera to test if the remote is sending an infrared signal. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see a light on your camera screen when pressing buttons. If no light appears, the remote may be faulty and needs replacement. Clean your remote, especially around the buttons, to ensure none are stuck. If problems persist, consider using alternative control methods. Universal remotes and smartphone apps can serve as reliable backup control methods while you resolve the original remote issues. If your remote troubleshooting didn't work, the next step is power cycling your TV. This resolves temporary software glitches that may be causing the unresponsiveness. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait exactly 60 seconds. This allows all residual power to drain from the TV's internal components. If power cycling doesn't work, check your power connections. Ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. If your TV still won't power on, look for a flashing red light. This usually indicates a power supply issue or internal hardware problem that may require professional repair. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset through your TV's menu. However, this will erase all your personalized settings, apps, and preferences. If none of these solutions work, especially for older TV models, consider the cost of professional repair versus buying a new TV. Rising repair costs often make replacement the more economical choice. These advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most TV responsiveness issues. Remember to try the simplest solutions first before moving to more complex fixes.